to be in the kitchen giving you a favorite dish and recipe. Remember we was talking about how we want to do the English food for the fans, and anyone can do mashed potato and gravy and all these things at home, but how you do it, there's tricks and tips and ways how to do things at home. Follow this video, please guys, give me the like and also subscribe to the channel. Want to hit it at least 500 like on this video. It's a brilliant video and I know you guys gonna love this one. You know what happened? It's gonna be mashed potato and sachets served with a lot of gravy, and I know your fans will like this one. You know, something you can do at home with the kids them, and also sometime over the weekend. You know what I mean? If you feel for something different, you can do it on a Saturday evening or a Friday evening if you feel like you come in and want to cook, or even on a Monday evening. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google+. You need to follow me, guys. If you don't follow me, not know what's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. So, we've been talking about the English dish from the other day. We're talking about how we want to cook some English food, and you know what I mean. Anyway, we're gonna give you a simple one today. This one is this pork sachets. I just come from the butcher, wrapped up really nice, lovely. I got a greaseproof paper, with a piece of greaseproof paper in a tray. We're gonna make some mash and bang today, alright? On English, the way we're gonna do this one. Alright, then first thing what we're going to do is this. As I said, I got the good pork sachets right here. I'm gonna lay them inside of it like this. Nice one. And then we're going to go right straight through the process of making gravy and also do the mashed potato. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 sachets. Alright? Basically. Lay them on a thin sheet like this. And what we're gonna do, we're going to what? Cook them now. Alright guys, we're gonna put them in the oven, gas mark 9 for about 25 minutes in the oven. If you're using a electric oven, I would say 165 or 175 for 25 minutes, same way. Alright guys, enjoy it. So now I'm just gonna pop this in the oven and we're gonna go through the process of getting the potato ready now. Alright, so nice one guys. Anyway, I got some large potato that's coming from the shop, and I brought a nice large potato. I like the large one, you know what I mean. But what we're going to do is simple. Remove the skin from the potato, yeah, and we're going to be cutting up them very small. As you can see, we're going to cut them up very small, and we're going to be cooking these for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes. All right. I just finished the potatoes, so what we're going to do is cut them up very small like this, as you can see. So when you cut them up very small like this, it's very easy to cook. And these potato I'm using is like, this one is like for baked jacket potato. I like this one because when they, you know what I mean, when they cook them and they're soft, you just mash them. Really nice. And I know you guys will love this because it's just beautiful and really nice. Something totally different. Nice one. One of my potato drop, but that's fine. Someone gonna get that today. Lovely. So look at that. That is just beautiful and nice and clean and fresh, and that's how you want your potato to look. All right, guys. So enjoy the tips and ideas. So now we're going to go cook this potato for roughly until about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, until it's soft and mush. When we pour off the water, we're gonna use our potato masher and mash it. Serve it with some lovely sachets and gravy. English style of cooking. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see, that's the pot with the water. If you want to put some salt, you can. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is just pop my potato inside of it like this. Alright. Lovely. And then next is give it a quick stir like this. And then cover it and let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright. And I low gas mark at the moment. I got it on gas mark 9 or 8 is good. Nice and lovely, guys. I want to simply say to you, if I move this, look what I go under the pot. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's it exactly. So right now, anytime the potato them ready, I see them fall apart. Like they're ready for mash. So yeah, it's ready. Well, basically what we're going to do is pour off this water, get the potato, and then we're going to do some mashed potato. Alright? Look how Chef Ricardo do his mashed potato at home. Nice and lovely. So basically, that's the mash. All they're going to do, pop a little bit of milk, not too much. And then add some unsalted butter. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Give it a lovely stir. Then put some pepper if you like in it. Spring onion, a lot more stuff you can put in it. That's gonna keep it real. Then get your masher and mash it. Alright? Mash it, mash it, mash it, mash it. Love that nice. So basically, if you want to know your mashed potato is alright, just rub a spoon through 2 times and you can see there's no lump. Alright, I'm gonna like lump in my mashed potato. Lovely and nice. So that's ready. Now what we're gonna do next, I'll put this one side. We're going to make some gravy. So basically, medium sized pot on the stove. I got some gravy mix. All I'm going to do is add the gravy mix to it. Nice one. As you can see, once you add the gravy mix to it, that's it. You don't need to add anything else to it because the gravy mix already have everything in it. And that's lovely and nice. And now we're going to take our sausages from the oven. So basically, just leave the gravy mix, the gravy for about 5 minutes, make it boil, then we can serve it. It's really good. Nice one. So that's the sausages, just come from the oven. And as you can see, that lovely color, that's exactly the color what Chef Ricardo been looking for. Alright, look at that. Beautiful and nice. Alright. So that's a perfect color. So what we're going to do now, as I said, 25 minutes in the oven, good to go. Just going to be shearing out these sausages now. Alright guys, enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see right here, I just shear the sausages and the mash. So all I need to do is just pop some gravy over it like this and make you guys see exactly what we are talking about. So this is a proper, all good English meal. So hopefully guys you like the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. As you can see, that's looking lovely and nice. We've got a lot more ideas, tips and recipe coming your way. You know, most people call it bang, sausages and bang. So enjoy. Thank you so much for tuning into my show. We got a lot more. This is the English way of cooking and I know you guys will love it. You can do this at home with the kids and also the husband, family, wife, everybody will love it. See you next time and thank you for watching. Bye bye. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. As you can see, looking lovely and nice.